After the events of the French project video, Apurva passed out and woke up in Mihir's bathroom in the math project video. He was then given a VHS tape which would catch him up on special right triangles, Pythagorean theorem, and trigonometric ratios. Apurva then proceeded to watch the VHS tape. Here's a recap of the math project video.
Do you guys want to learn?
Why are they so funny, man?
Do you guys... What's your problem?
What? I didn't even do it!
What do we call? Samya, do you have anything to add? No. Prem Jyotish, channel 8.
899.
899.
6161.
6161.
Anyways, this video is the last part of a 3-part series. We are in the endgame now.
Oh, wow, that video was really helpful. Now I know everything about special right triangles, the Pythagorean theorem, and trigonometric ratios. Wow, I'm gonna miss this chair. For old time's sake. Hi, Miss Lazarus! So, what are you doing?
Oh, hi. Nothing. What are you doing here?
I finally learned everything we learned about special right triangles, trigonometric ratios, and the Pythagorean theorem. But here's showing me a VHS tape.
That's great, but you're in 8th grade now, so why are you here now?
Wait, what?
You haven't had my class for over a year.
Yo, bro, what are you doing here?
Yeah, we're supposed to make a music video for Miss Perla. Yeah, we already wrote the lyrics. You just need to film it now.
You mean I wrote it?
Sure.
Hi, Miss Lazarus, long time no see. But I think we should get going now because we have to do our
It's
project.
great seeing all of you guys, but I think you should be going with them now. Go back to class. Have a great day.
Bye. So, what's that math project video about again?
It's about quadratic formulas.
What are those?
Don't worry about it. You just gotta sing and look pretty.
Alright, bet. Ain't get to play no ball, ain't get to do no homework. I was waiting in math class, ain't get to pass the test, ain't get to tell my mama I be failing all my classes. Can't even do other people's classes, these Perla students be snitching.
If you want to learn how to solve quadratic, the method that I like to use is easy and I've had it. There are a couple things that you have to make sure of, otherwise this will not work and you'll have to use another method.
As long as there's no linear term in the quadratic, move the constant to the other side and make sure you divide it.
You'll have the form x squared equals d, only one step left to do. Find square roots on both sides, cause every time
I wake up in the morning, I got square roots on my mind. The square root of 81 is plus or minus 9. And you know my teacher Perla tryna knock me off my grind, but I can't let her do it. I got square roots on my mind. Yeah, I got square roots on my mind. In class, not paying attention, sleeping, miss all the solutions. Wake up, only remember one, it's quadratic formula. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a quadratic formula. So you're a smart guy, math ain't really tough, guy. Grades just ain't enough, guy. Math is what you love, guy. I'm that dumb type, make my mama sad type, make my teacher mad type, just might fail this class type. I'm the bad guy. Duh. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a quadratic formula. Square up, Hashiana.
I wanna see you square up, multiply up, then divide myself down. Add it up, then subtract itself down on the class. Square it, square up, square it, square it, square up on the class.
Square up, Perviana. I wanna see you square up, multiply up, then divide myself down. Add it up, then subtract itself down on the class. Square it, square up, square it, square it, square up on the class.
I still see quadratics in my room. Can't take back the methods I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must educate you. Oh, it's easier said than done. You were the only one using graphing over quadratic formula. You used another one, but I used a better one. I won't let you carry me. I still see quadratics in my room. Please use the formula that I gave you. Once the equations in standard form, then you substitute values of b squared minus 4ac on the discriminant, put the square root in, plug in b and find the plus and minuses. Simplify what you can, you might leave a radic and I won't let you carry me. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Make sure that you put that all over 2a. It really is that easy.
How much homework you got? A lot. How many problems you got? A lot. How many people did you ask? A lot. Use them for their thoughts? A lot. How many want you to flop? A lot. How many graphs you got? A lot. How many topics you got? A lot. How many Alex you bought? A lot. How many times you fried? A lot. How many graphs are wide? A lot. How many tests you cheat? A lot. How many times did you lie? A lot. How many times did you help? A lot. How many students are bots? A lot. How many chances per like give you improve your grades you got?
Yeah, I'm gonna do homework on the bus ride home. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna do homework on the bus ride home. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the pencils in the bag, papers are the past, calculator's black, got the heart that's black to match. Riding on an iPad, doing math that's not bad. I'm always on train tracks, but I'm definitely not a nomad. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Perla can't tell me nothing.
Wait, can I be in the middle because I'm actually in this project?
Yeah.
Can't nobody tell me nothing. Perla can't tell me nothing. Completing the square, so easy it's not fair. Divide d by 2, that's c, and make sure that it is squared. Add it to the right side, factor on the left side. Isolate the variable, don't even need a YouTube guide. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Perla can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Perla can't tell me nothing. I'm gonna do homework on the bus ride home. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna do homework on the bus ride home. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
महीने में 12 तरीके से तुझको प्यार जताऊंगा रे। बारह मिनट भी लगता है अब ना तेरे बिन रह पाऊंगा रे।